Don't let the wind blow this on you. Don't breathe it in. What causes that? Well, evaporation of water. That's battery acid. Wear a pair of gloves. I don't care what you do to clean it off. You do your best to protect yourself and clean it. Get yourself some Vaseline. Put it on there. Do your best. Slide it up, over, snap it into place, close it up, job done. That's how simple it is to move this on and off. Did you miss it? Lift up, grab the pin, the tab, release, underneath, to the side, lock, close. Have a great day, everybody.